Welcome to One Click series. In this template, we are going to see how we can predict future stock prices using Monte Carlo simulation and Brownian motion methodologies. We are not going to discuss Monte Carlo and Brownian motion in this video. I'm assuming that you are already familiar with that. You know how to use this, what it takes to run all these Brownian motions in traditional Excel or other spreadsheets. Here, the aim is to show you how you can reduce tons of your time if you're using this script rather than doing it in Excel. If you don't have a local Python setup, don't worry, I would recommend using Microsoft Azure Notebook account to run this script. It's a free account. Go and get one. If you don't know how to create Microsoft Azure account, there is a link available, a YouTube link available in this script. Follow these steps and you will have one. So once you have your free Microsoft Azure account, download this script, upload it in your Microsoft Azure account, and then you are good to go. So what inputs required? There are 4 inputs required to run this script. First, you should know your stock symbol or stocks ticker. I don't know, sometimes people use symbol or some ticker, but whatever it is, you need the symbol. So for example, in this example, I'm using National Australia Bank. By the way, I'm using template for Australian Stock Exchange. I have few other scripts for other stock exchanges as well, like FTSE, Shanghai, Tokyo, and other US ones. So whatever the stock exchange you're using, the procedure will be the same. You need to have your stock symbol, ticker or symbol, and then your date. So in this case, I'm picking data. I'm predicting based on past data, which the data is starting from 1st January 2007. Feel free to change it to your desired dates. The third thing I need is intervals. How many future dates I am interested to see. So in this case, I have chosen 800, change it to 1000, whatever it is. The fourth thing is iterations, different scenarios. Stocks can go up, can go down. So what if you wanted to see different scenarios, let's say 10 scenarios in one graph. So I have chosen 8 different scenarios. Feel free to change it to 8, 10, 11, 12, whatever it is. And then once it's done, go to sell and run all. Statics means that things are in process. The script is collecting data from Yahoo Finance, processing it, and now it's ready to see. So this is the visual presentation of the next 1000 days of National Australia Bank ticker, and there are 10 different scenarios. You can see different colors showing different scenarios, and this is a very brief statistic showing what would be the minimum for the all 10 or 8 scenarios that you're choosing. This is the maximum price combining all 8 and this is the average for all 8 or 10 scenarios that you have chosen for 800 or 1000 days. The gray area is basically showing where the major movement is happening. In this case, it's one standard deviation, is showing that the price movement is between 37.39 to 15.62, and this is the volatility. So that's it for now. Hopefully, I am hoping that it will help you to reduce your significant amount of time compared to the traditional you're doing. This, and one important point is that investment decisions are very complex decisions. Ideally, you should not be relying on one standalone technique or template. Consider it as an additional resource in your toolbox. That's it for now. Thanks. Bye.